It was my first time attending the DevOps Days here in Zurich, and I really enjoyed the different perspectives people bring in from cultural backgrounds.
The one main thing I'm looking forward to at the DevOps Days are talking with people about specific topics. Either you bring your own or they bring some in.
This year we have the theme Bubbles, so it's a really bubbly DevOps Days that we have.
My favorite format are the open spaces, because there you can bring in your topics.
I attended an open space about how to bring more women in tech, and the way the whole thing was introduced, the rules, it really made it easy to be there and contribute.
I love about the DevOps Days the community. There's so many nice and friendly people. It's always a good groove. It's really, really nice.
My favorite moment was being very welcomed by the community, and I'm really looking forward to the next year.
Next year, 2027, is our 10-year anniversary, and it will be great, many surprises. Stay tuned.